The COVID-19 pandemic has raised great concern in the governments and in the health workers around the world. Since there are new unusual symptoms in patients such as gastrointestinal symptoms, irreparable damages in lungs, cardiovascular accidents, and kidney problems.
Que estamos hablando de una enfermedad que tiene un componente inflamatorio y sanguíneo vascular que alcanza al cuerpo entero. No pocas veces producen alteraciones de la función cardíaca y se describen incluso algunos infartos por alteraciones de la circulación en los pequeños vasos sanguíneos. También, por ejemplo, arritmias cardiológicas.
The British laboratory Synairgen, through preliminary tests with the drug SNG-001, which has interferon beta, achieved successfully the reduction of the 79% of risks to get coronavirus in a severe way. Same that was verified by the Southampton University when testing with the inhaled drug in 101 infected patients.
If we could see the drug effectively reducing the risk in a larger population of going onto a ventilator, it does alter the whole dynamic. It alters the likely outcome for the patient, it alters the burden on the health service, it alters the duration of illness, and it alters the risk ultimately of dying. We've got an early signal of that, and we need to pursue that further to see if that's going to be a useful way of treating the disease.
The tireless search for a cure against this terrible disease has tested time and effectiveness in the search for the vaccine.
Клинические испытания первых образцов уже начались. Понимаю, все мы хотим, чтобы столь нужный препарат появился как можно скорее. Но здесь принцип может быть только один. Известный врачебный принцип «не навреди». Уверенность в эффективности, надежности, безопасности вакцины. Причем для граждан всех возрастов и особенностей здоровья должна быть абсолютно стопроцентной.
Countries such as China, the United States, England, Germany, and Russia are some of the nations that are in a race against the clock for the discovery of the COVID-19 vaccine. Although clinical trials seem encouraging to put an end to the pandemic, none of them have been approved by the World Health Organization. Therefore, studies should continue to be carried out to achieve the effectiveness of the cure against the disease.
So we're entering a new phase now of vaccine trials, the phase 3 trials, which are the ones that will definitively prove whether a vaccine is efficacious and safe. I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic, but vaccine development is a complex undertaking. It comes with a lot of uncertainty. The good thing is we have many different vaccine candidates and platforms. So even if the first one fails or the second fails, we shouldn't lose hope.
In just 7 months from the start of the pandemic to date, in the world there are around 14 million people infected, causing the death of more than 600,000, while in the scientific community and in different laboratories around the world are looking for the medicine to cure them or find a cure that will stop the spread of the virus.